Ho, ho, ho! Well, hello there, kids. I'm here at the North Pole in my workshop, and we're busy as ever. I know things are a lot different this year. You might be distance learning, you may have had to stay home more than usual, and maybe it's been hard to see your friends and loved ones. I've received a lot of letters from you about how the holidays will be different this year. It can be scary when things feel uncertain, but I want you to remember to find the things that bring you joy and make you feel safe. This year, I won't be able to say hello in person on the North Pole Express train, but I've got activities for you and your family this month in preparation for the big day. Even though we can't see each other in person this year, we can still do a lot of other fun things, like make crafts, sing holiday songs with our families, and watching our favorite holiday movies. What's going on in the world right now won't last forever. Now is a time to cherish our family and friends. I will see you next year for another North Pole Express train ride, and you can share what you've learned and how you have grown. Be safe this holiday season, and don't forget to keep up the holiday spirit. Happy holidays.